In அன்பான உறவுகள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Today I am going to teach you a famous Hindi song, Mere Sapno Ki Rani, from the film Aradhana. So before moving to a song, like, share and subscribe my channel and get benefited. Click bell icon for my regular updates. Moving on to the notation, I'll place notation at the end of this video. So if you have any doubt, you can either comment in the comment box or you can mail me to my mail ID, which I'll place in a description. Now moving on to the song, I have tuned my Veena Stuti to 5, that is G. So I'll tell you the swaras present in the song. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to consider my Ma as Sa, that is Mavan as Sa, Pa as Ritu, Davan as Gavan, Nivan as Mavan, Tarastai Sa as Pa, Ritu as Datu, Gavan as Nivan and Mavan as Sa. Likewise, here Pa as Ritu, likewise it continues. So I'll play and show you the Arogana and the Avrogana. So before moving to a song, hero he'll sing a small alap. So I'll teach you that one. That is from Pa to, we have to reach Sa, we have to slide it. Sa, understood? Pa ma pa da pa ma pa. So sa re da da pa ma pa da pa ma pa. So this is our alap. Hope it is clear. So da, what I'm doing, I'm pulling at Pa. So this finding difficult, no problem. You can also play it in a direct place. You can play in alternative me too, or you can also pull it in Pa. Okay, so once again the alap portion I'll play and show you. So this is the alap portion, and now moving on to the song Pallavi. So Pallavi, it starts with Re. So Re Re. So Re, what I'm doing, I'm sliding from Sa. Re Re Pa 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 Ma Da 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 Ma Pa 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 Pa. Re Re Pa Pa. So first line is Re Re Pa 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 Ma Da 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 Ma Pa 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 Pa. What I'm doing is, I'm giving a connectivity for each and every swaram when I transfer from one swaram to other swaram. So observe properly. So for Re, from Sa, I'm sliding. Re Re. For Pa, from Re, I'm sliding. So Re Re Pa 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 Ma. For Da, from Ma, I'm sliding. Da 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 Ma. For Pa, Pa 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 Pa. So we have to give a connectivity between one swaram and the other swaram. So when we play like that, it sounds really very good. So once again the first line. So this is the first line. Moving on to the second line. Re Re Pa 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 Ma Da 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 Ma Pa Ga Ga Ga. So when we are sliding, you can give slide gamakam in Ga. Pa Ga Ga Ga. So this is second line. Once again. Re Re Pa 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 Ma Da 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 Ma Pa Ga Ga Ga. This is second line. Moving on to the third line. Re Re Pa 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 Ma Da 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 Pa Ni 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 Ni. So for each and every swarams, I'm giving a connectivity. So observe properly. Re Re Pa 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 Ma Da 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 Pa Ni. Understood? Ni 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 Ni. So these are the first three lines. So once again, I'll play. It will be like a similar thing only. So slight changes will be there. So I'll play and show you the three lines. Re Re Pa 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 Ma Da 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 Ma Pa 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 Pa. Re Re Pa 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 Ma Da 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 Ma Pa Ga Ga Ga. Re Re Pa 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 Ma Da 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 Pa Ni 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 Ni. So these are the three lines. Re Da 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 Sa. So the Sa, what I'm doing. So from Da, I'm plucking at Da. So two times I'm pulling, that is sari sari, like that. Okay. Okay, to get the effect of a song, I'm pulling it. I'm giving gamakam at Sa. So I'm teaching according to a Sagityam. So Re Da Da Sa, that is Da Sa da pa pa. So this is a Pallavi portion. Hope I think it is clear. So slowly I'll play and show you. Just observe it. So the same thing we have to repeat once again. So this is a Pallavi portion. Now moving on to the Charanam. Re, so Re, again I am sliding from Sa. Re, ga, pa, ga, re, re. So for Re, I am plucking at Ga itself. And I am giving a slight gamakam at Re. Understood? So Re, ga, pa, ga, re, re. Re, re. So Re, re, what I am doing? I am plucking at Re. Can you observe it? So second time when we play, we have to play like this. And the first time is Re, ga, pa, ga, re, re. This is first time. Second time Re, re, ga, pa, ga, re, re. This is second time. And the third is, third line we can play in two ways. I'll tell you. We can play this one. That is Re, re, pa, da. And I'm giving a gamakam at pa and at da. That is Re, pa, da. Re, pa, da, pa, re, ga, da. Like this we can play, or this is according to a Sagidam. Okay, so Re, da, pa, da, re, da. So Re I am plucking. Understood? Re, da, pa, ga, re, ga, da. Like this we can play. So in both the ways we can play. Both are correct. So I'll play and show you. So this da, what I'm doing? Plucking, and just I'm moving to the previous swaram, and then I'm coming back to a current swaram. Like this. Okay. So either like this or both are correct. So you can use any technique. First one is little bit a complicated one, and the second one is according to a Sagityam with a plain notes. So you can use any swaras. So I'll use a second one according to a Sagityam. Understood? So once again the first three lines of Charanam I'll play and show you. Re, ga, pa, ga, re, re. Re, re, ga, pa, ga, re, re. Da, da, so da, da, pa, ga, re, ga, da. So Ni I am giving gamakam twice, and I am not plucking at Ni, I am plucking at Da itself. Understood? Da, ni, da, pa, pa, pa. Hope it is clear. So till here I'll play and show you. Re, ga, pa, ga, re, re. Re, re, ga, pa, ga, re, re. Dra, da, pa, ga, re, ga, da. Da, ni, da, pa, pa, pa. So we have to pass in each and every line, and next time when you are playing, continuously we have to play the same line. We have to repeat. So after this, pada, dasa, dasa. So pada separate me too. So dasa single me too. Dasa first single me too. Again dasa we have to single me too. So understood? Pada, dasa, dasa, sa. Understood? Pada, dasa, dasa, sa, da, pa, da. Sorry, da, pa, ma. Pada, ni, da, pa, pa. So this will be a little bit complicated and little bit faster it will come. So once again I'll teach you this one. So pada, dasa, dasa, sa, da, pa, ma. Pada, ni. So I am pulling at da and also a ni. single meter. Padani da papa. Hope it is clear. So this is the Charnam portion. So it's very easy song. So once again Charnam from the beginning, slowly I'll play and show you. So that's it. For remaining Charanam, you can use the same notation. Though the lyric might be different, the tune is same, so you can follow the same swaras. So hope I think this video will be useful for you. So if you like the way I teach you, like, share and subscribe my channel. So keep supporting me. Thanks for your love and support. Thank you so much.